Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds in PicsArt for perfect cutouts. Removing backgrounds in PicsArt allow you to create clean cutouts for collages, PNG images, and also creative edits. So through this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it step by step. So if you are a PicsArt Gold or a Pro user, you can easily use the AI background remover for quick, precise cutouts. So what you need to do is just click on a plus icon once the PicsArt app is open. And then you can just scroll down, and here under the AI tools, you'll easily spot the background remover. So you can just watch until you find the background remover. So you can just choose the photo, and AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background. And tap on apply. If the cutout is clean, you can just save it, but you can also use the erase or restore brush to refine edges. Save it as PNG or transparent background, or use another background. So it might be fast and professional quality background removal, but if you only on the PicsArt, you can also do it using the cutout tool. So for free users or more control, the cutout tool allows you to manually erase the background. So you can just here select the image that you want to remove its background. Okay, so for example, I'm going to just use okay, this one's right here. You can click on the image, and once the image is open, you can just find the cutout option, the one with the scissor icon in here. And in here you can just choose a person, face, clothes, sky, head, hair, or background. So for example, I'm going to just go with person. So it will automatically cut out the part of the person just like this. You can just tap on the check icon to apply it. But if needed, you can also manually refine the cutout using the brush to add or eraser to remove. And if you're satisfied, you can just tap on save. And you can also, if needed, you can use this, or you can just click on fit to add new background. For example, I'm going to add new background just like this. You can also change the ratio if you want to. Okay, now the new background has been applied. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.